Welcome in everyone, and we are in Disney Springs, and I'm here to see the new drone show, Dreams That Soar. This show started on May the 24th, and it goes through September 2nd. So I'm so excited to see it. Disney Springs is somewhere free that you could come that has all kind of shops and restaurants, and now they have a drone show, so that's free as well. So I'm excited to check it out. It is inclement weather, as you can see here today, so I'm hoping the show will still take place because it may be canceled due to inclement weather. They have two showings, 9 p.m. and 10:45 p.m. So I'm gonna head and get something to eat first, and then hopefully be checking out the show. All right, so it's a Saturday evening, and it is 8:03 p.m. right now, and one of the cast members advised that I might want to walk over now to start lining up. She said people start lining up at 7 p.m., y'all. So I'm going to head over there now to try to get a good spot because you want to be where the drones face forward. So heading over there, and then after that, I'm going to grab something to eat. As I'm heading to the viewing area for the drone show, I did want to point out that there is a handicap accessible viewing area that's right next to Haleo. So it's right here next to Haleo. If you want to come to the handicap accessible viewing area, head over here and you could go through that rope right there. The viewing area for Dreams That Soar is
still this way.
Right here by Circus Olay. So you'll head by Circus Olay. Right here is House of Blues. So you come down by House of Blues and Circus Olay, and you'll head in, and you'll be able to head over straight this way to Dreams That Soar.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Inspired by the magic makers, heroes, and dreamers who have come before. Now, unleash your heart, let your imagination fly, and discover just where you'll go as we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Everybody, here we go! There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right and straight on to a mark. Look! That's sickening! They're flying! They're flying!
Is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no moon. It's a space station.
All wings report in.
Red 5 standing by.
Fire coming in point 3.
Watch that crossfire, boys.
Watch it.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. Baymax, wings. Thrusters.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Dance off, bro.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Just imagine where you'll go. Dreams that soar.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have dreams that soar.
Wasn't that an awesome show, y'all? That show was so magical. Dreams That Soar. It was, I mean, on camera it looks so small. In person it's so big. Those drones is 800 drones, so it's a lot of drones. And in person it is ginormous. I would highly recommend that if you could see this show, see it in person. Now I did get to the show about 40 minutes before it started. So I went to the 9 o'clock show. I got there about 8:20. It was already filling in. So make sure you get there in enough time. They do have an overflow area, which is like in the grass, and it's off to the side where you won't be able to see the drones face on. You'll kind of see the drones off to the side. So make sure you get there in enough time where you will be able to have a good viewing area face on with that you'll be able to see the drones. Also, I did notice that at Haleo, the restaurant, they have outdoor seating. And so if you can get reservations for Haleo and get the outdoor seating, they have an excellent view of the drone show. That's another place that you'll be able to sit and watch it, because when you're watching the drone show, you are standing up in the regular viewing area. It is standing, you are standing. So keep that in mind. But it is excellent. I really love this show. It was so magical, and I definitely want to see it again. I believe it ends September the 2nd, but I'll put the date right here again when it ends. It's free. It's here at Disney Springs. It's 10 minutes long. If you can come see it, come see it. Again, you can have something to eat. Now, I just watched a drone show. I'm now in Polite Pig, which is my go-to restaurant here in Disney Springs. I love Polite Pig. And here's a look at the menu if you wanted to check the menu out. But you could go watch the show, then have something to eat, or vice versa. Have something to eat, then go watch the show. Make a day of it. They also have a movie theater here in Disney Springs. So it's a lot of different things you could do, but definitely check out that drone show. It was excellent. I'm finished up here at Polite Pig. The food was excellent per usual. I got the brisket, mac and cheese, the corn on the cob, and the cornbread. It was excellent. It's never a miss. If you want a sure hit, come to Polite Pig. They have a lot of different restaurants here in Disney Springs. They're all excellent. You won't go wrong. Also, make sure you check out that drone show. Like I said, it was wonderful. I love that show. It's really good. It's free. Definitely come and check it out. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.